everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing a very popular item on Instagram. It is the insert name here. Oh, I dropped my phone. It is the INH Miya ponytail. So I got the Miya ponytail in dark brown. So beautiful. Let me take it out. Oh, and then also it comes with this beautiful bag to store it so that you don't ruin it, or just to keep it nice. So I need to put my hair in a ponytail. I actually straighten my hair because my hair is naturally curly. So look at it. Okay, so the color is very pretty. I had messaged them on the chat, the live chat, and I asked them, I wasn't sure what color to get. I was really about to get the wrong color. I wanted to get, what was the color? The color was black brown. It says it looks like boba, and then they told me when the lady said to send them some pictures in natural lighting, so I sent her pictures of my hair like outdoors. And so she said a better color match for me would be or blend, that's what she called it, would be the dark brown. So I wouldn't have guessed that. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know why I thought my hair was black brown, but when I looked at it, when I got it, I was like, this does match. I'm happy I asked her because then I would have gotten the wrong shade possibly. I don't want to rip this because I want to try to put it back in this net, but here I go. I'm really excited to do this review, you guys. And I did reach out to them and ask them to do like a collab, but they did say that they weren't accepting any new ambassadors, so which is understandable. So hopefully my next review will be in collab with them, and I'll have a coupon code for you guys. But yeah. So yeah, this is the hair. I hope you guys can see the color really well. And so it does have that weird texture right there. They say that you can, it says on the bag and on the website, you can heat style it for up to 400 degrees. It is synthetic, it's not real, but once you straighten it, the more you straighten it, it says on here, the less texture you'll have. And you want to brush it every time you use it. So it has these two bobby pins here for you to use, and this is all elastic. I have not used it before. I wanted to share it with you guys, but I've watched a lot of videos, I did a lot of research. So this curl right here is what you're going to do, or what you're going to use to wrap around the Velcro to hide it, because that's how you hold the ponytail in place. And to prevent it from slipping, you're going to need a sturdier ponytail. So I have my, scrunchies. I have my scrunchies here. I have these little tiny scrunchies. I don't think they're going to cut it. Usually these type of scrunchies, I know it doesn't look like a scrunchie. These work really well in holding my hair in place, better than any other scrunchie, better than the thicker ones of these. So I'm going to try to use both of these and this, just to prevent it from slipping, because a lot of people say that the ponytail is heavy. It's so beautiful. So I am going to put my hair up in a ponytail, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Okay guys, I am back. I put my hair up in a ponytail. Look. Okay, so I'm really about to expose myself right now because I normally do not wear ponytails because my hair is so thin when I put it in a ponytail. Like, yeah, like from the front it looks cute or whatever, and I struggle doing a ponytail too because I only have this comb. Like, I don't have a brush because I don't put my hair in ponytails. But look, this is my entire hair on my head. So when I wear ponytails, I'm like super self-conscious because I don't got no hair. Like, let me show you. Like, look at that. I always feel like I don't got no hair. And like, if I was to do a bun, like, this is like, what is that? Okay, anyway, Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked right now. So I kind of pass the straightener through the hair just a little bit. Just get rid of that crimping. Does it match? Does it even match me? Can you see? I think it does. I think it looks perfect. And I don't dye my hair, guys. Oh, so beautiful. Let me peinarla. Let's brush her hair. She's beautiful. So I have a mirror over here. I'm going to be looking over here. And I haven't put the other moños on, or scrunchies. So I'm going to put them on right now. Just so you guys don't think I'm lying. Secure it real good. Okay, look at this bump. And then I'm gonna put this one in too. Ooh, look at that. This ponytail is pulling back my skin like facelift. Who is she? I like it, I like it. I'm looking like a brand new person. So yeah, guys, this is Miya again. Just so that you guys know, they have an Ariana, but the Ariana is super long. I don't know how long this is. I'll write it down in the description box because I don't feel like looking right now. So here we go. Gonna go ahead and take off the Velcro. And so on the inside, wait, she's tangled. I don't want to rip it. Okay, so on the inside there's this little clip or kind of comb, and this is gonna go inside that ponytail right here. It's gonna go right in there, and then once it's secure, I'm going to just go ahead and wrap it, and I can't wait to see how I look. I'm gonna be a new person. You guys, I got all cute for this video because I ain't going anywhere. I live in New York. It is May 9th, 2020. Let me stop talking in focus. I can't. Let me move the camera up. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna rip my whole hair out. Ugh. I guess it's supposed to feel like that. Ah, the Velcro sticking to my hair. Okay, let's put it really, really tight so it doesn't fall out. Oh, what? Ow, it kind of hurts. I don't know if I did it right. I think it got caught on one of the side parts, so it's kind of just pulling part of this, and I don't want to fix it, so I'm just gonna deal with the pain. Let me secure it in the back first. And then there's this little piece, it just ends over here. So let's tuck it in. Bobby pin upside down with the ridges down. Uh-oh. I have my own bobby pins, so let me just take this out. Oh my god, this thing keeps coming out. Okay, let's do it closer to this side then. Okay, I think that's good enough for now because I'm doing this on camera and usually in the mirror is kind of far away. So I feel like my hair is gonna rip out of the top right here. It feels so tight. Ooh! What do you guys think? I feel like a different person. Let me move the camera down. Ariana Grande vibes. Oh, let me put some earrings on real quick. Hold on. Okay, I got them. I don't know how I like it with the earrings. I look very extra right now. But we just gonna do it. I think it's really pretty. It's really definitely for something like special occasion for me because I'm not used to all this hair. Guys, I wanted to mention to you that I do actually have a code. It's going to be Janixa3 for 15% off of your purchase. I am wearing the Miya ponytail in the color dark brown. So don't forget, if you really like my video, don't forget to use my code. It would really help me out. It was really nice of INH to provide me a discount code last minute. So it's good until May 18th. I'm going to try to see if they can extend it if this video does well. Just make sure you guys are liking if you enjoy the video and subscribing to my channel and commenting below. Thank you. Bye.